Okay guys, good morning. So it is 11 right now and my shuttle is 12:05. It's so beautiful out here. You can see the plane landing. It's like right next door to the airport. At least I don't hear the plane. Oh, I didn't know they had a high up here. What the heck? All this time they had a high up and I could have been over there all day. I didn't wake up to get, I woke up, but I didn't want to go downstairs to get free breakfast. And I've just been lazy to go downstairs and tired. They even have they even have a bus that goes right here. Lucky thing this is not a long layover, but next time if I'm staying here for a very long time, I can take the bus to probably go in the city. And I probably could go to IOP right there. Like now I know that there's an IOP right here. Struggle so real. But I'm heading out right now. I have one leg. And after one leg, stay in the airport for 3 hours, and then I have my deadhead to go home. Today's go home day for me. I'm finishing up my pairing early today. Today the pairing ends tomorrow, so my other crew member is gonna be by herself for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys when I get to my next destination. Hey guys, so I just made it home. It's now 9:30. So today I had a 2.5-hour flight. Then I had to sit in the airport for 3 hours 53 minutes, and then I deadhead on our airlines to come to base. I tried to get an alternate deadhead from to another airlines, but they all were full, so I had to stick to my airline. Okay, so this is date night outfit. This is the only thing I could come up with the last minute because most of my shoes are in storage and I don't have correct shoes for the correct clothes that I have here. And it's super cold and I can't just wear regular shoes. I have to wear boots. So this is what I'm doing for date night. Simple date night outfit. Date video sometime next year. Just want to show you guys how faithful God is. So I'm going to show it sometime next year. So stay tuned. And I'm gonna do a separate video from this so you guys will know the whole full story, the background of everything. So yeah.
Where are the kids at? You know how to put this thing on restriction?
Hey guys, so it is like 6-something p.m. and I got up a little bit early today. I got up like 9-something. Today's my only day off. I'm back to work tomorrow in the afternoon, I believe, or evening. But today, so my date that I had yesterday, we meet up this morning for breakfast because he had to go to he had to go to, oh, he has a funeral that he has to go to. So we meet up for breakfast and then he went to the airport to go to a funeral. I had some packages that I had to pick up from the store, Walmart, because I ordered some stuff online because I had family members coming in. So I ordered some stuff online, pick it up at Walmart, came here, went a little bit of grocery shopping because I have to prepare some food for tomorrow for my flight. Tomorrow trip is a 3-day trip. I have a 24-hour layover, so basically consider a 2-day, not a 3-day, because I'm laying over for 24 hours. And I'm going to be doing some photo shoot on that layover. I'm going to do some video on that layover of some items that I'll be on my website. So my mom just called me because I have to book her flight to come home. And the struggle was real because, yeah, the struggle was real because the flights are all full and she's traveling standby. So I told her that, so she has to go on the days that it's not a lot of passengers on the flight, because if she go on the days there's a lot of passengers, she's gonna have to fly all around the world to get back to the house and to get back here, and that's not gonna happen. Anywho, enough of that. I am doing pizza for tonight. This is gonna be my dinner. I got this at the grocery store. It was like $3 for it. So I decided to do pizza. It's in the oven right now cooking. I haven't eaten anything today. Only thing I drank was coconut water, and that's all. I haven't eaten anything else So I'm gonna do this since pizza is very high in the calorie count. 330. High in the calorie count, so at least I get that. And my thickum shake to make up for what I didn't eat and then go work out. I went to Walmart to get those packages. And I also got little groceries. I got chicken, lemon pepper chicken. Oh my goodness, this lemon pepper chicken is so good. This baby right here, it's so good. So this is what I got. This is what I'm gonna bring on my 3-day trip. And I bought Brussels sprouts, and I'm gonna cook the chicken with the Brussels sprouts. And I have 2 salads, but I'm gonna eat this chicken with the salad. So that should be good for. And then I have 3 yogurts and some almonds I'm putting there to kind of like make the calorie count a little bit more. I'm not gonna do much tonight. I have to do laundry, wash the sheets, the towels, since I'm gonna have visitors, a vacuum. I'm probably gonna vacuum tomorrow on the carpet, and I have to renew my lease. And the good thing is that with my lease, with the renewal, they give us free, they're gonna do free carpet cleaning, which is super good. Come and clean my carpet, honey, on renewal. So I'm happy, get my carpet clean up. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna wait until I get my carpet clean up, and then I get some more accessories for my apartment. I have to renew the insurance, because rentals insurance, yeah, we got to have rentals insurance. That's the suck thing about the state. They require rentals insurance. So I have to renew my rentals insurance. And I think that's it I have to do after that. But I'm gonna go dive in, prepare my food.
Guys, I can't cook for nothing. I burned the pizza. Like, it is burned completely. Who the heck does that? Burnt pizza.
Good morning. Okay, so it's what time? It is 11 right now, and today is work day. Okay, I don't have any makeup on, guys. No makeup at all. So this is how my face look. This is how she is looking. I'm gonna do a skincare routine. My face had gotten a lot better, and then I had some food allergies, and after that I had some bed bug bites, so my face got worse after that. I don't have any pimples, but because of the bed bug bites and the food allergy that caused my skin to break out, I have the remaining scars of that. So that's why my face looking like this. But it's gonna be great again, and I'm not worried, because it's gonna be great again. You know, it's gonna be great again. So today I have 2 legs today, 2 long legs. I don't leave until like 4 something p.m. I don't get to my destination until 5 in the morning, I believe. Yeah, 5 in the morning. And I have a 24-hour layover, and then the next day I have a long day. I think it's like 5 legs. I don't remember, but I'll tell you guys as the days go on. So I just upload a video of some clothes. A lot of times when I don't have the chance to do a video of the clothes in person, I just, do a little video of the pictures and stuff. But eventually I'll do a video of the clothes. Eventually I'll do a video of me putting on the clothes and stuff like that. I told you guys about my date that I had, which was amazing. And I did do that video of what I said was gonna do the video and then post it sometime next year to show you how good God is and stuff like that. I did finish that video. I'm super excited to share with you guys that journey. But for right now, we're gonna see me by myself, me and I. But I am gonna edit some more videos since I'm backed up with videos, and work out, because I haven't worked out in weeks. And I'm gonna do that. And actually they have breakfast upstairs in my complex, and I don't feel like going upstairs for breakfast. Like, I just been so not want to eat breakfast in the morning at all. I have I think it's a green tea, a very organic juice. I think I might try that out later and eat my thickum and drink my thickum shake. I call it a thickum shake because I'm trying to gain weight. So I'm gonna drink that and probably eat something else, maybe an egg or egg and turkey bacon. On top of that, oatmeal. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit these videos. My family members are coming in. One's coming on a Monday, and I think my mom is coming in tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully she can get on her flight, because commuting life. Well, I'm gonna say commuting life because my mom travels a lot. She travels a lot. She's never here most of the time. So that's why I just get a 1-bedroom apartment, because we never here most of the time. And when I get to my destination, when I'm on that 24-hour layover, I'm going to do a video of Flight Attendant 101, the reason why Flight Attendant quit, and things you can expect and stuff like that. So I'm going to educate you guys on that part of the world with you guys. So let me go edit this video, and I'll be back with just talk to you guys in a few.
Okay guys, I totally forgot to vlog. So I am heading to work right now, and I am late. I only have like 25 minutes to the parking garage, from the parking garage to clock in. So I'm hoping I don't clock in late, because clocking late, yeah, I get points. I think I get like 3 points, and I haven't been late, never got any point, and I'm trying to have a record here, because if we don't call out sick, no points or anything, the company pay us believe close to $200 or a little less than that, if we have good records. So I'm trying to get that coin, okay? So yeah, I am at the garage, and hopefully I don't get the slow person today, because every time I'm late I always get the person that drives super slow, and I'm hoping I don't get that person today, because the struggle's gonna be real. Can't believe it's snowing. It is officially snowing. Alright, so my first leg. Okay, so my first leg, we were on the 320. Man, the time feels so long. I don't know if because of the time change, the time went back, but it feels so long. It was 2 hours, 29 minutes, and it really felt like it was 4 hours. So we land, got here, realized it's snowing, 30 something degrees. And I am still in summer stuff. The struggle is so real. We switched plane, same crew members, different pilots on a still 320 aircraft. There's only 75 passengers on board, and this holds 175 people, so 100 seats are open. The last flight, only 2 seats that was open. No, I'm lying. It was 6 seats that was open on the last flight. So this is gonna be the first flight heading out. I think it's midnight right now. It's 12 o'clock. When we land our destination, the next destination is going to be 5 a.m. So the struggle is so real. And the flight time now is 3:09. 3:09 flight time. I'm going to have to drink some coffee. I'm going to do something. So they're doing security checks, because this is the first flight leaving out. So make sure that everything is good, secure, and all that good stuff. And then after they finish the security checks and stuff, then we're gonna start boarding, and I'll talk to you guys when I land. It's raining outside. Raining. Can't be getting the shuttle because it's raining so bad. It's 4:50 in the morning, and the shuttle is here, but we can't get in because it's raining super bad. I guess it's gonna be my first time using my umbrella after 2.5 years. You leave from snow to rain. Who does that? That's crazy.